Hello everybody, I wish all you are good. In the last video, we have presented the planned and actual comparison based on 3D drawings, simulation, and bar chart diagrams. And this video, additionally, we will follow the comparison based on the resource histograms of the project. As in the last video, suppose that the status of the project is requested to be reviewed on 11th April 2025, in which case it will be enough to stop the play when it is reached and we will get the attached image. Keep in mind that we have found that the formwork spent twice the planned time and evaluate the project status. We get this visual once we post on 11th April 2025 on our playback and get this visual, as you know. The attached visual will be created to monitor the simulation, bar diagram and histogram of the plan together and to facilitate data transfers. So we get this visual, or we have to prepare this visual in order to be clear how to transfer the data from this visual to the tables which we have talked about in the previous video. As you see from here, the carpenter, it is representing the formworks of the third part, the formworks of the second part, and the concrete casting works of the first part or section. So the cement finisher also, it is representing the works of the concrete casting works in the first section. The steel fixer, it is representing the works of the reinforcement works in the fourth section or the fourth part. The common laborers, they are representing all the works of for all sections. For example, they are representing the formworks of the third part, the formworks of the second part, the concrete casting works of the first part, and the reinforcement work of the fourth part. The track crane, as we see from the links, they are representing the formwork of the third part and the formwork of the second part. The tower crane, it is representing the reinforcement works of the fourth part. So once we prepare or make these links, we are going to get or to transfer the quantities from this histogram into the tables which is coming now, in order to be clear, to be compared with the actuals, in order to make the decisions how to whether we have any problem in order to solve it. As you see from here now, this is the carpenters. The quantities we will get it from here. These numbers at the left, they are representing the man hours, and it is now in this day it is up to it is less than 900 man hours. It is the upper one. It is for carpenters, and it is equal to for about 870 maybe. As we follow it also from this table, so from that visual we have transferred these quantities. For carpenters it is equal to 870. For cement finisher it is equal to 20. For steel fixer it is equal to 300 man hours. For common laborers, for all sections, for all works, it is equal to 650. And for truck crane it is equal to 50 man hours, sorry. And for tower crane it is for about 10 man hours. The same we will prepare it for the actual works also. The attached visual will be created to monitor the simulation bar diagram and histogram of the actual together and to facilitate data transfers. As you see from here also, we have prepared this visual from the actual works. The carpenters, it is representing the formworks of the third part, fourth part, and the second parts. The steel fixer, it is representing the reinforcement works of the first section or first part. The laborers, it is representing the all activities of the sections, which is consisting the formworks of the third part, the formworks of the fourth part, the formworks of the second part, and the reinforcement of the first part. The truck crane also, as you see it from here, it is representing the formworks of the third part, fourth part, and the second part, and the crane, it is representing the reinforcement works of the first part. The same we have to transfer these quantities from this visual to the table, which is coming now for the actual works. As you see here from also, we at the same table we have transferred the quantities of the actual also for the relative carpenters, cement finishers. Steel cement finisher we have not as actual, as you know, it is equal to 0. For steel fixers, for common laborers, for truck crane, for tower crane, and breakers installer, it is still we have not anything, as we discussed it in our previous video also. And now let's watch the rest of the visual, the part after the pause, or we have to watch it totally. The next video will be presented by integrating cash flow into this video. See you next video. Take care, please. As you see from here also, we have the left parts, which is representing the planned works. They are for planned works. We have the bar charts, we have the 3D simulation works, and we have the histograms. The same as the right part, we have the bar chart for activity works, for actual works, the 3D simulation for actual work, the histograms for actual work. And directly down of the camera, you have the visuals which we talk about how to make the links between the bar charts to 3D simulation to histograms for both planned and actual works. And for friends which they need to be translated to Turkish or Arabic language, they can use the procedures of YouTube channel how to translate it. It is possible. You can do it by yourself, please.